guys, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again today. And today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I absolutely love doing this look during the summer. I think it's so fun. It's a great way to incorporate color without kind of too much color. If you kind of are scared of color, you could wear this whenever you want. To a pool, you'll match the water. A pool party, I don't know. I know we're halfway through summer, but July is just summer. Like, July is summer. Like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know, because it'll really help me out in knowing what content you guys want me to make. And I know I haven't been here a little while, long while, but I am trying to upload as much as I can. So if you want to click that notification bell, it'll really help when I actually upload a video, because I don't upload as much as I should, or I'm not on a schedule. I just kind of feel, hey, let's sit down and film. I do have a few videos I want to film now, so I will film those and probably put them up. So guys, if you would like to see how I achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. So I already primed and did my eyebrows, and to prime I just used the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. And then for my eyebrows, I used this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. It was in one of my Ipsies. And then I set my brows with the light powder in the dark brown Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow powder. I am going to color correct just a little bit under right here. And to do that, I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Cushion color corrector, and it's in the color Peach. You don't need that much. It works great. I really like these. I'm just gonna go in with a little tiny bit of foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the Dewy and Smooth one in the color Porcelain. And then I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit just on the back of my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it on my face. I'm literally using the tiniest amount because I don't need that much coverage, but I just want a little bit to help the base and all the other products to kind of go on smoothly to my skin. Go in with two different concealers. I'm first gonna go in with the Maybelline, I said that weird. The Maybelline 8 Instant Age Rewind in the color Light, and I'm just gonna apply it kind of right here, and then my nose, a little bit on my chin, and like some acne spots that I have, some freckles, and then blend that in. Take another concealer from Maybelline. It's the Master Conceal in the color Fair, and I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of this just to add some lightness under here and some dimension to my face. My Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Tanslucent, just to set the under eyes and everywhere I put the concealer. The rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with, it's the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the color Translucent, with just this Ulta fluffy brush. I'm just gonna take my Badescu facial spray. It's the Rosewater one. And I'm just gonna kind of spray my face to kind of help all that powder kind of set into my face. And then I'm just gonna take the back of my beauty sponge and kind of just press it in. So I finished like the base, so now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. For my eyes, I'm doing like a really simple, kind of colorful look. It's really easy. So I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer because I'm gonna be using this all over the face. So I'm going to help tie it into the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna take this bronzer and put it into my crease as like my transition shade. So I'm just gonna kind of brush this underneath my eye. Have this out, I'm actually gonna take it on my angled bronzer contour brush, and I'm just gonna bronze out my face. Place that down. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm gonna dip into my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to dip into the color, what's it called? Pregame, which is this kind of yellowy shade. And I'm gonna pack this all over my lid. I'm gonna be taking this Steve Laurent, it's in the shade Sea Green eyeshadow. It's very bright blue, green, turquoise. It's really pretty. This is the first time actually using it, so I'm gonna see how this goes. But I do wanna pack this on the lower lash line. It's really pretty. Kind of drag what's ever kind of left up to right above the lash line. So it's not that much, it's just the tiniest little bit that's kind of left. Just to kind of connect the two. That's actually quite nice. I also had this City Color Shimmer Shadow in the color Beach Cottage. I think I'm gonna just add a little bit of this too, as well, to add some shimmer to it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. There we go. I just added a little bit of shimmer. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Beauty For Real brown eyeliner in the color Whiskey. I'm gonna just apply this to the tight line right above, right here. Oh my god, it tickles so bad. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild On Edge Longwear eye pencil in the color Sapphire and Ice. It's this really pretty like blue shade. And I'm gonna apply it to my lower waterline. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so blue, and I think it's just like so pretty. Like there's so much contrast right now on this part of my eye, but as soon as I add like mascara, it'll look a lot better. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so I finished my mascara. And now I'm gonna go into this City Color Contour Palette and this Ulta small eyeshadow brush. It's really just a small, really packed eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna dip into this white shade, and it's very pigmented and very powdery, so you don't need that much. And I'm going to just apply this to the inner corner and my brow bone. So I am officially done with the eyes. I think they turned out really nice. I think they look really pretty. I love doing this. I think it just is a way to really like include color. You can do a whole bunch of different colors. You can do purple, blue, green, pink, like whatever color you really want. I just really like this color because it, for me, it reminds me of summer, and I absolutely love doing this eye look. For blush, I'm gonna be going in with the Colourpop pressed face powder, and I'm pretty sure this is in the color Noodle. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this and apply it to my cheeks. I really, really like this blush. I've been using it so much. I kind of applied a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna kind of go in with the powder brush I used earlier on my face, and I'm just gonna kind of go over it a little bit and kind of just dust it off. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Ultimate Glow Kit, and I'm gonna mix the colors White Sand and Snow together on this SL Miss Glam SL41 brush. It's a highlighting brush, and I'm gonna mix them together and apply them to my cheekbones. Snow just adds a really nice kind of a white without being too white to it. That's why I mix in White Sand, because it just kind of, them mixed together just really kind of ties it all into my skin tone and everything, and it's still really blinding in white, so it ties in with my inner corner highlight as well as my brow bone highlight. I'm literally applying that everywhere. To apply is lips, and I'm probably just gonna go in with like a really nude color, not too pink because my eyes are blue. But I think I'm just gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Liquid Ammunition in the color Celebrity Skin, because it's just really pretty brown without being too pink. You can always apply some lip gloss if you feel like it, but I'm kind of living this matte kind of fantasy. Then I'm just gonna spray my face again with this Mario Badescu spray. And then again, kind of tap it with my sponge. Okay guys, so that is it for this really kind of colorful summer makeup look. I do this honestly all the time. I think it's so pretty, and it just is like a really, it's like a way to like add color without adding too much color, I feel like. And it really makes, like if you have green eyes or blue eyes, this will make your eyes pop. I have green eyes and blue eyes, and I think my eyes just look like popping out. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I don't upload as often as I would like to, but make sure if you do like my videos to click that bell so you do know when I upload. So guys, I hope to see you in the next video.